If you're tired of guessing whether your steak is done or your chicken is safe to eat, an instant read thermometer is a total game changer. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best instant read thermometers, from pro-grade picks to budget-friendly favorites so you can cook with confidence every single time. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Thermocouple Thermometer. First up is the OXO Good Grips Thermocouple Thermometer, a premium option designed for serious home cooks. It gives incredibly accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. And I love the 225-degree rotating probe that makes it easy to read from any angle. The rotating dial also means you never have to touch the hot probe after cooking. Pros: fast and very accurate readings, ambidextrous rotating probe and screen, waterproof and easy to clean. Cons: pricier than most home thermometers. If you want smart design with pro-level accuracy and don't mind paying more, this OXO is a fantastic long-term investment. Number 2. ThermoWorks Thermapen ONE. Next is the legendary ThermoWorks Thermapen ONE, widely considered the gold standard. This thermometer delivers a true 1-second read, with lab-verified accuracy and a beautiful auto-rotating display. It's waterproof, extremely durable, and trusted by professional chefs and BBQ competitors worldwide. Pros: lightning-fast 1-second readings, exceptional accuracy and build quality, trusted by professionals. Cons: one of the most expensive options. If you want the absolute best and cook often, the Thermapen ONE is worth every penny. Number 3. Lavatools Javelin PRO Classic. Coming in strong is the Lavatools Javelin PRO Classic, a favorite for delivering near-pro performance at a more reasonable price. It reads temperatures in 2 seconds, offers excellent accuracy, and has a large auto-rotating backlit display that's easy to read even while grilling. Pros: excellent accuracy for the price, large, easy-read display, long battery life. Cons: slightly slower than Thermapen ONE. This is one of the best choices if you want premium performance without the premium price. Number 4. ThermoWorks Thermapen ONE. If value is your priority, the ThermoWorks Thermapen ONE is hard to beat. It delivers fast 2 to 3 second readings, has a waterproof build, and a simple one-button design that's perfect for everyday cooking. Pros: affordable and reliable, waterproof and compact, auto-rotating backlit screen. Cons: not as fast as higher-end models. For home cooks who want accuracy on a budget, this one's a smart pick. Number 5. Lavatools Javelin Standard Model. Finally, we have the standard Lavatools Javelin, a compact and affordable option that still delivers impressive accuracy. It reads temperatures in about 3 seconds, has a large display and built-in magnets for easy storage. Pros: very affordable, accurate and easy to use, compact with magnetic storage. Cons: slower than premium models. If you want solid performance without spending much, this Javelin is a great everyday thermometer. So whether you want the absolute fastest thermometer on the market or the best value for everyday cooking, there's a perfect option here for you. Check the links below for current prices, and let me know which one you'd choose in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech and home product reviews.